more. So I can go until I blow up, and I can drink until I throw up, and I don't ever want to grow up, and I wanna keep it going, keep it going, come on.
Yes, I can. Doubt better leave. I'm running with this plan. Pull me, grab me, crabs in the bucket can't have me. I'll be the president one day. January 1st. Oh, you like that gossip? Like you the one drinking what gossip.com. Now I got a word for your tongue. How many Rolling Stones you want? Yeah, I got a brand new spirit speaking and it's done. Woke up on the side of the bed like I won. Talk like the wind in my chest to that sun.
Hey Mark, just tell us what happened on Milko Ski. Oh mate, drag race. That's unbelievable. Milko, what do you got to say about this, mate? There would be at least 2 minutes.
After 2 kilometre drag race, it was always a tie. I'd like to thank Maddie and all the free drivers for the association. Check it. But PwC Fund, the new post today.
Cameron is slow.
And we're here at Jet Ski TV with Milko. Milko, doing a bit of marshalling work out there today. What was it like? Oh, that's great. And how's the ski going over the weekend?
According to Cam, he's gone off and he's done a few mods, but we'll see. I'm still super fast.
I heard that you were fast.
I'm really fast.
Well, that's great.
He's done a real good job.
That's superb. Thanks, Milko.
Straight game face, it's game day. See me running through the crowd full of melee. No trick plays, I'm Bill Gates. Take a genius to understand me.
Sometimes I get a good beat.